Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a neat Chrome extension called Mote to quickly record and add audio to your Google Slides. Now, Mote can do a lot more than just that, but I'm going to focus on the Google Slides aspect in this video. So let's go ahead and take a look. You'll find it at justmote.me. Of course, you can also find it in the Chrome store. I'm going to now add it to Chrome. And I want to make sure I add it to the right email account that I'm using. I'm going to add this to Chrome. And then we'll get started using this extension. So we can see here that Mote has been added to my Chrome browser. And if I want to make sure that stays up there in my tools, I'm just going to pin it up there real quick. And let's say I'm a teacher. And I'm going to sign in with the Google account that I'm going to use with Google Slides, with Google Classroom, or any of my other Google products. So let's go ahead and sign in. And I'm going to log into my Just Mote account. Okay. Now here it is. So now let's go ahead and take a look at my Google Slides. And in my Google Slides, we'll be able to use Just Mote. Let's make sure I'm in the right Google Slides account. And let's make a new slide presentation. And when I do this, we'll see the little Mote extension appear on the screen right there. So I have that little Mote symbol right there in my slides. Now I'm ready to add some audio to this slideshow. So let's go ahead and click on that. It's going to ask me to grant access to my Google account one more time, and that's because Mote will be saving the audio recording in my Google Drive. So it's going to ask me this one more time. And we're going to sign in one more time. And while this part seems a little bit clunky, you only have to do it once. After this, you can just click the Mote button at any time and start recording. You won't have to go through all those steps. So now let's use this Mote recording tool right inside my Google Slides. We're going to see it pop up right here. I'm going to hit that button. It's going to ask me to start recording. Let's just start recording. With a free Mote account, you can record for up to 30 seconds per recording. This is my sample recording that I'm going to put into my slides. And so now it's, as you can see, thinking. And then my file will be available to insert into my recording. So there's my recording. We can play it back. This is my sample recording. And now we can just insert it right into my slide. And once it's in my slide, I can edit the playback settings just like I would any other audio file that I add into Google Slides. Now, if you're not familiar with the native way to add audio to Google Slides, I have a video about that on my YouTube channel. I'll link that up in the description down below. So there we have my recording, and there's a little play button for the recording. You can see it right there. I can make it larger, smaller. I can drag it around the screen if I want to. And you can see here, I can say I'm going to have it automatically play when I launch these slides. I can loop the audio. I can even hide the icon when it's presenting so it doesn't pop up on the slides when I'm presenting. It just plays in the background. So that's a short overview of how to install Mote and use it to record audio in your Google Slides. Now there are many other things you can do with Mote, and I'll be showing those in some subsequent videos that I have coming up soon. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.